So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio TV stuck on downloading update, network fix, power cycle and USB update. So fix 1 is power cycle. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for 5 minutes, plug the TV back in, turn the TV on. Fix 2 is check internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is stable, restart your Wi-Fi router, move the router closer to the device. If possible, connect an Ethernet cable directly from the router to the TV for a more reliable connection during the update. Fix 3rd is use USB update. Visit the Vizio support website, enter your TV model or serial number, download the firmware file. Insert USB drive into your computer. Format the USB drive to FAT32 and then extract the downloaded firmware file. Copy the extracted file to the USB drive. Turn off the TV and plug the USB drive into the TV's USB port. Turn on the TV to automatically detect the update. Thanks for watching.